Welcome back everybody. Today we will discuss about the product decision. Product is the first P of the marketing mix. Anything of value that fulfills the requirement of the end users is known as product. It can be goods or service, tangible or intangible, physical or psychological. The customers and the competitors largely depends upon the products offered by the company. Now we will discuss about the classification of the product. Generally, it is classified into two broad categories, that is the consumable products and the industrial products. Now we will discuss about the levels of the products. There are 5 levels of the product which we will discuss in detail. The first level is the core or the generic product. It is the raw product that satisfies the customer's primary need. The core product is at its raw form, not being an brand name and remains undifferentiated. For example, wheat is a grain that one can consume. The second level of the product is the basic product. The core product differentiated from the rest becomes the basic product. It adds some necessary features to the product like brand name, packaging and labeling. For example, Fortune Chakki Fresh Atta. This is the example of basic product. Next level of the product is the expected product. This product includes the key features that customers look forward to. It also contains standard features that a product should have. For examples, chapati is prepared from wheat flour. Next one is the augmented product. To differentiate product from competitors, company add distinctive features to them. These additions depend on the market survey conducted from a product. They try to create a unique selling proposition for the product. For example, brown bread and cookies. Now the last level of the product is potential product. It refers to all the possible features that a product can have in the future. These features depends on the market condition and the economic changes. Now we will discuss about the product decisions. Product decision in marketing refers to the company's mindful decision, major or minor, regarding their products. It ranks first among the 4 P's of the marketing: product, price, praise and promotion. Organizations take these decisions to attain their objectives and became profitable in the long run. Product decisions are vital marketing decisions to be made at various levels. These decisions broadly covers new product development, modification or elimination of existing products, variants and visual elements, and last one is the product mix and product line decisions. So these are the major product decisions, that is the branding, packaging, labeling, positioning, support decisions, new product development decisions, product mix decisions, product line decisions, product design decisions. The factors affecting product decisions are growth, market share, cash flows, profitability. Now what is the product classification? Product classifications refers to the organization of the different type of products that consumer buy. Professionally classify products for a variety of reasons. Product classification can be contribute to many decisions within the life cycle of a product. Now we will classify the product. The very first is the convenience product. Convenience product describes the item and service that customers purchase on the regular basis with little thought. Next category of the products is the informed purchases. Informed purchases, also known as shopping goods, refers to the products and services that consumers that consumers don't make offer and usually perform research before doing so. Next category of the product is the specialty items. Specialty items are unique products that marketers can advertise to the certain demographic of consumers without worrying about their competition. Example is marketing team for a well-known luxury fashion brand wouldn't need to create any advertisement. Next category is the mandatory purchase. Mandatory purchases, also known as unsought goods, are products that consumers buy out of the necessity rather than desire. For example, buying a fire extinguisher or a car maintenance membership just in case of an emergency. Now we will discuss about product line decisions. First of all, we will understand what is the product line decision. Product line decision means a company offers similar product to solve a range of similar problems that target customers have. Now what is the product line? A product line is a group of close related products because they function similarly, are sold to the same customer groups, are marketed through the same types of outlets, or fall within given price ranges. For example, that is Toyota produces several lines of cars, Colgate-Palmolive produces several lines of toiletries, Apple or Samsung provides smartphones, Microsoft, Google and Apple provides the operating systems, Coca-Cola and Pepsi provides whole range of soft drinks, Philips provide a range of home appliances that you can think of. These are some of the product line decisions. The very first product line decision is about the product line expansion, which includes expansion of width, expansion of depth, or dual expansion. The next decision is of product line repositioning. It includes product modification and product trading. Next is the product contraction. It includes harvest, continuation and contraction. This is the first product line decision, that is expansion. The expansion of the product is typically implemented by adding great width to the line. Increasing the depth of the product adds more variety to the original product. Different sizes, colors, styles, qualities, etc. The other method of increasing the line expansion is the combination of both width and depth extension, known as dual extension. This is the second product line decision, that is the product line reposition. Product reposition is the strategy that charges the target market for a given period. The critical difference between product extension and repositioning is that with repositioning, no new product are necessarily added to the line. Here the marketing executive places the product into another marketing segment. The two major decisions of the product marketing execution must make a reposition product, that is the product modification and the product line stretching. Product modification, that is the modernization of the product. Although a company's product line length may seem to be adequate, it may require modernization. For example, a company's toiletries lines developed in 1980s may be lost out to better packaged competitors' lines. Now the product line stretching. Product line stretching takes place when a company lengthens its product line beyond its current range. A company can increase the length of the product line with three product line stretching methods, that is stretching upwards, stretching downwards and stretching both ways. This is the third product line strategy, that is the product line contraction. The product line contraction strategy is followed to reduce the number of items the company offers for sale. The contraction process is composed of two phases. They are analyzing the product of possible removal and removing it from the mix. Now we will discuss about the product life cycle. So what is product life cycle? The term product life cycle refers to the length of time from when a product is introduced to the consumer into the market until it removed from the shelves. The life cycle of a product is broken into 4 stages. That is the introduction, growth, maturity and decline. These are the 4 stages of the product life cycle. That is, first one is the introduction, second is growth, third is maturity and fourth is decline stage. Now we will discuss each stage and its features in detail. So the features of the first, that is the introduction stage, is as follows. No profits or marginal profit. This is introduction phase, so there is no profit or marginal profits. Limited sales of the product, higher promotional expenditure, no competition in case of innovative products. Now we will discuss growth stage, that is the features of the growth stage. Very first feature is rapid increase in the sales of the product, acceptance of product by the consumers, maximum profits to the company, entry of competitors in the field, reasonable promotional expenditure. Now comes the maturity and saturation stage, and the features for this stage is the increasing competition. Next is the stable trend in sales till mid of the stage, then slow decline in the sales till mid of the stage, declining profits, promotional expenditure increases, and the last one is the extra efforts by marketing companies to increase sales of its production in the market. And now the features of the last stage, that is the decline stage. In this stage there are marginal marketing firms closes their operation with the start of the stage, decline in the sales at the fast speed, increasing losses, no dealers support. Now we will discuss about the strategies of all the 4 stages of the product life cycle. So we will first discuss the strategies of the introduction stage. The strategies are reduce the time span, high pricing strategy, penetration pricing strategy, focus on early adopters. Before the expiry of the stage, channel of distribution should be well set. And the last strategy is use of sales promotion schemes. Now the strategies for the growth stage. The very first strategy is the price reduction. Next is the effective supply chain management. Then new uses of the product, addition of the new brands, and the more uses of the product. Now we will discuss the strategy about the saturation and the maturity stage. The first strategy is focus on the late maturity, product alterations and modifications, differential advantage strategy, then repositioning, intensive use of the sales promotion techniques, and last one is the introduction of the new product. Now comes the decline stage, and the strategies for the decline stage are intensive care unit, selective distribution, and the product simplification decision. That's all for this session. Thank you.